Okay, this will serve as video number 2 in my new collection. This is the same homemade system, but I have switched it over to vibrating bell mode. And really all I did was change the value of this potentiometer, and I removed a diode between there, and it just changes the value of the pulsing circuit, the 555 oscillator. If anybody's more interested in how that works, just send me a message and I'll do my best to explain it. But I'm going to go ahead and set this off now. Same thing, I'll just reset it. And that's that.